Kinongkitkam ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ringkar ke jingshim bentalang di KMLA ke Congress ki bakkan towi baroni V Lingdo uba Charles Marngau Dr. Celestine Lingdo u seleng sangma bat ki wepat minta ke Alfred Rek leber ki lapelong ke jingki ke basipor hapelau trekam keseng ke Congress Bhavan. Kani ke jingmi yaki ke dehalor ke jing pyrshah ke jingle jong ke sorkar NDA hapo ke jingelam jong Narendra Modi kabal aslat jubor ke jinglong nang mikmat jong Rahul Gandhi kumudukhat jong ke parlimen syak Lok Sabha kumta nakaliang ke MPCC ke penramjor kani ke jingle jong ke sorkar India.
Rahul Gandhi
Zindabad,
Congress Party
Zindabad,
Congress Party
Zindabad,
Congress Party
Zindabad,
BJP
down, down,
BJP
down, down,
BJP
down, down,
Modi
down, down,
Modi
down, down,
Modi
down, down,
Amit Shah
down, down,
Amit Shah
down, down,
Congress Party
Zindabad,
Congress Party
Zindabad,
Congress Party
Zindabad,
Rahul Gandhi
Zindabad,
Rahul Gandhi
Zindabad. On the action against our leader, Shri Rahul Ji, we have staged this protest to mark a protest by the Congress Party of Meghalaya, and then we condemn the disqualification. This is suppressing the democratic right, suppressing the democratic freedom of speech, expression by the NDA government led by Narendra Modi ji. So we condemn. This is ultimate. They want to suppress the truth that our leader Rahul Gandhi ji has been raising in Parliament, has been raising in various platforms about the misgovernance, about the misrule, about the trying to suppress democratic rights, of trying to kill democracy, and even go to the extent of disqualifying a leader of the Congress party by disqualifying him as a member of parliament. This is, I think, not seen anywhere in the world where an democratically elected leader has been disqualified by very, very unfair means. Concerned about what we feel. We're not concerned about what the others feel because they're entitled to their opinion. We only express a strong opposition. We condemn this action taken by the Modi government against our leader Rahul Gandhi because they're fearing, they have been rattled by the response, the support that is getting from the people all over the country with his Bharat Joro Yatra, where we are trying to ensure that irrespective of caste, creed, gender, we are all Indians, and that is the message that we've been sending. And I think because the NDA government, survives on creating this communal division, communal hatred based on caste, creed, and gender. So the Congress Party, our leader Rahul Gandhi, believes in uniting the country, that we live peacefully, coexist harmoniously, irrespective of all our differences. Because India is a country, we believe in unity in diversity. They believe in unity in uniformity. We protest against that.